Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a Teacher Termination Appeal Letter. What is a Teacher Termination Appeal Letter? A Teacher Termination Appeal Letter is a written communication by an educator who has been terminated from their teaching position, in which they formally appeal the termination decision to their employer, often a school district or educational institution. The letter typically outlines the teacher's reasons for appealing the termination, and may provide evidence or arguments to support their case for reinstatement. The goal of the letter is to request a reconsideration of the termination decision, or a fair hearing to review the circumstances surrounding the termination. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a Teacher Termination Appeal Letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your information as a sender. Yes, you need to write down your full name. Under it, write your home address. You can't write your occupation in the school because you are already terminated. For the next, write the date of the letter. Here, you can write the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient of this letter. The first one is their full name. Under it, write the occupation in the school, for example as principal. And then, write the name of the school or educational institution. After that, you need to write the address of the school or educational institution. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you have completed the head of the letter. And you can open the body of the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear," followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is where you do introduction and appeal. After beginning the letter with a formal greeting, you can then introduce the purpose of the letter. Don't forget to mention your occupation in the school or institution. And mention the name of the school. For example, I am writing to appeal the decision to terminate my employment as a 9th grade science teacher at Maplewood High School. For the next, clearly state that you are appealing the decision to terminate your employment. And mention the termination letter that you received. For example, I received the termination notice on December 10, 2023. And I am deeply concerned about the circumstances leading to this decision. Yes, this paragraph sets the tone for the letter, and expresses your concern about the termination. In the second paragraph, it is about professional dedication. In this paragraph, you need to express your dedication to the school, students, and your role as a teacher. You should convince the reader that you are a good teacher with good commitment. And here is the example. First and foremost, I want to express my commitment to the students, parents, and the entire Maplewood High School community. And then, emphasize your passion for teaching. And write also the effort you've put into creating a positive learning environment. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. Teaching has been my passion. And I have dedicated countless hours to creating a positive and effective learning environment for my students. Sure, you can modify the template based on your preference. In the third paragraph, this is the place where you write your clarification request. Without a doubt, you need to write the points where you mention any misunderstandings, or maybe miscommunication, that may have contributed to the termination. In short, convince the recipient that the termination should not happen. And here is the example. I believe there may have been some misunderstandings, or miscommunication, regarding the recent events that led to my termination. After stating that, you can continue to request an opportunity to discuss these matters further. You may write something like, "I respectfully request the opportunity to discuss these matters further, and provide my perspective." In short, you are requesting for a chance to defend yourself from getting terminated because you think this decision is not fair. In the fourth paragraph, this is about openness to resolution. Yes, it is highly recommended that you show your willingness to resolve any issues that may have led to the termination. If you don't know how to deliver it, you may simply copy this. I am open to mediation or a meeting with school administration to address any concerns and work toward a resolution that benefits both the school and its students. Besides that, you should also mention your openness to mediation or meetings with school administration to address concerns and reach a mutually beneficial solution. And here is the example. My goal has always been to contribute to the academic growth and success of our students. And I am willing to take any necessary steps to ensure that continues. You may be mad knowing you are terminated for unknowing reasons. But you have to stay calm here, and make it polite and formal. Remember, you are appealing the decision, not demonstrate or even complaining. And in the 5th paragraph, this is where you write your appeal for reconsideration. This is the critical part of the letter, where you make a formal appeal for the reconsideration of the termination. Therefore, you need to really pay attention to this. You may write something like, I kindly request that you reconsider the termination decision, and grant me the chance to rectify any issues, and continue my role as a dedicated teacher at Maplewood High School. If you are not sure can write better paragraph than this, it is just fine to use this one. The point is, you need to state your commitment to maintaining the school's academic standards, and continuing your role as a dedicated teacher. Requesting for discussion is a must. Ask for a reconsideration of the termination decision and the chance to rectify any issues. And express your confidence that through communication and cooperation, concerns can be resolved. You can simply write, I am confident that, with open communication and cooperation, we can resolve any concerns, and maintain the high standard of education that Maplewood High School is known for. This sample is well written and acceptable in formal appeal letter. And in the last paragraph, you need to thank the recipient for their attention and consideration. You may simply write, I appreciate your attention to this matter, and look forward to the opportunity for further discussion. Conclude the letter with a polite closing, and express your gratitude for the recipient's attention to the matter. And maintain a professional and respectful tone. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. You can also write your personal contact information like phone number and email address, just in case the recipient wants to immediately contact you. So, that's how you write a teacher termination appeal letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.